everyone, thanks so much for joining me today. I'm Christiane, a consultant for Thermomix USA, and today I'll be going over Cookidoo that's built into the Thermomix TM6. So once you've started up your Thermomix TM6, you're going to go ahead and swipe to the right to access the Cookidoo app. Okay, so on the home page of the Cookidoo app, you can go ahead and search for recipes by typing in ingredients or food sensitivities. So for example, if I want to search for something with potatoes, okay, go ahead and type in potato, and all the recipes that have potatoes will pop up for you. Now, if I select one, you can go ahead and start cooking right from this screen here. Now on the actual app itself, you can add these recipes into your collections or favorites. So to access those, we're going to go back to the Cookidoo homepage, hit the menu button up top, and go to My Recipes, and you can go to Bookmarks, Created Collections, or Saved Collections. So we'll go into my created collections, and these are all the recipes that I've favorited into different categories. So for example, I have a bread collection here where I've put all of my bread recipes for easy access that I could pull up when I'm ready to start cooking. So if we go back, we could also do a My Week view. And you can go to calendar view and view all of your recipes that you've put in for the week. So for example, a couple days ago, I selected we would cook French onion soup. Lastly, you could go into the recently cooked and find all the things that you've cooked. For example, a couple days ago, I cooked this really great brown rice salad with turmeric dressing, and if I wanted to cook that again today, it'll be right in this category for me. Okay, so that's a little bit about Cookidoo on your Thermomix TM6. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me. My information's in the description below. Thanks, and see you next time.